This video assumes you know what you want to supplement and have your supplement photos prepared. There are separate training videos for preparing these items. You've already created an account and you have some jobs to supplement. So let's start making you some money. First, click on the New Project button on the top right-hand corner. The first screen is the customer and claim information screen along with the basic roof information. This is identical to what is done to create a roof waste report. A roof waste report is included with a supplement should you need it as part of your supplement report. It is likely you will with most jobs. A fictitious contractor, customer, and claim have been chosen for this training video to protect the innocent. The customer and claim information are straightforward enough. Just enter this information as shown. I would emphasize, however, to fill these out carefully as this information will be part of the supplement report sent to the insurance company. The roof info can be acquired from any roof sketch report. The first 4 fields are drop-downs and each must be accurately selected as the choices affect the roof waste report. There are 2 choices for shingle types, 3-tab or laminated. It's possible that wood or cedar shake will be added in the future if the demand exists. The roof we are supplementing is 3-tab. There are 3 valley types and there is a significant difference in the waste calculation with each. The predominant valley type is close-cut half-laced. However, the roof we are supplementing has primarily open valleys. The Xactimate AutoCalc function automatically builds in 1% of waste for crew handling errors. The Restoration AI tool allows the user to choose from 1 to 5%. It isn't reasonable or accurate to assume crew handling error is the same for a 4-pitch ranch as it is for a 2-story 12-pitch. You may also have a roof with turret or spire roofs that you feel require some additional waste be added. Choose what you wish. Just remember, you may be taken to task by an adjuster for your choice. For this roof, we're choosing 1%. It is recommended that you choose conservatively. Finally, choose whether the roof is predominantly a gable or hip style. Assuming you already have a scope of loss, it is recommended that you choose whatever the adjuster did for their own bundled waste calculation. The roof waste report uses this choice to make an important calculation and price comparison, so please make an accurate choice. When you've entered the roof data in the remaining 8 fields from your roof sketch report, click Continue. The next page simply prompts you to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you find an error, click the Back to Edit button to return to the previous screen and make your corrections. When you are satisfied your entries are correct, click the Continue button. Note, the data fields shown below are not being used in this report at this time. They will come into play with future web app tools under development. This page allows you to download the roof waste report that was just created with the data you entered in a PDF file format. So let's take a quick look at that report. If you've previously utilized the roof waste web app, you can see there is a newly designed header page. The remainder of the report is the same as the previous version. You may download the report to a folder on your computer if you wish. This is not necessary as a copy of the report will be sent with the supplement report. You can also return to the job file and download this report later if you need to. Click the Back to Dashboard button to start the supplement report. To create a supplement, hover the pointer to the right of the Create date for the project you wish to supplement. Click Supplement tool. A future version of the supplement tool may have the option for the homeowner to review the supplement and electronically sign their approval. For the time being, click Contractor, then click Next. The first data group you will see is what was previously entered. A number of supplement items will be automatically filled out using this data, or numbers calculated using this data. For example, roof area, roof waste, cap, starter, valley metal, or ice and water shield and drip edge are already covered with this data. Even though this roof was predominantly a hip, the adjuster used 10% bundled waste. The data for roof waste is supplied from this first data group. He also omitted valley metal, the link for which is also provided by this data group. You then fill out the new roof fields for other items you will wish to supplement. Once you've used the supplement tool a few times, this will become more obvious and automatic. We will be supplementing for one power vent, one turbine vent, and one HVC rain cap, pipe flashing, and the double-walled pipe, both 5-inch and 6-inch. Once you've made your selections, click Next. We'll now select the trades we wish to supplement for. At present, there are 3 trade choices. We'll be adding other trade groups, such as gutters, siding, windows, as well as others with future supplement tool updates. The first trade group is for O&P, residential supervision, repricing, and permits. The second covers all roofing items, while the third has 22 interior rooms with 43 pre-written supplement paragraphs for the most commonly supplemented items. With this job, we are going to supplement for O&P, roof waste, a power and turbine vent, the 5 and 6-inch HVC vents, valley metal, a satellite dish, detach and reset, along with drip edge. So we check the first 2 boxes and click Next. Note, each page has a back button that allows you to return to the previous page if you forget something. We now select the specific items we wish to supplement within each trade group by checking the appropriate boxes. As you can see, there is a list of what we found to be the 22 most commonly supplemented roof items. Select your items and click Next. You will find with most specific items selected, there will be multiple pre-written supplement paragraphs for each that you may choose from. These are meant to cover multiple scenarios you may encounter with each job. You may also upload up to 3 images for each item to validate your request. You do this by clicking on the Add Image box, which will take you to your Windows File Explorer. There are 3 choices for O&P. You may note your company name is automatically filled in. We'll select the second item for this case. The next item is roof waste. There are 2 choices here. The first is generally used for 3-tab shingles where it may be difficult to impossible to have cap and starter broken out as separate items, but you still want to have the correct waste applied. The second choice is most often used with laminated shingles where it is much more likely to have cap and starter broken out as separate line items. The choice is yours to make. It can vary depending upon the specific situation, the adjuster you're dealing with, the insurance company you're dealing with, or any other number of variables. This roof is a 3-tab shingle. We'll choose the first one. The power and turbine vents on this roof are corroded. These should be replaced under ordinance and law due to the reinstallation of materials code item. You'll note again there are multiple scenarios for each of these items to choose from. We'll also add a photo for each, which will be included in the report we send. For the power vent, you can see how quick and easy it is to add a photo to your supplement. Continue down the list, checking off the appropriate pre-written supplement paragraphs for each item and add photos as appropriate. Once you've completed your selections, click Next. a pop-up will appear asking if you want to create custom items. The supplement tool has a lot of choices, but cannot possibly cover every supplement item that may come up for a job. For those special items not covered, you may add them as custom items. For whatever reason, most of the front slope of this roof has been covered with a white roof coating. This will undoubtedly require more time to demo the front slope. Therefore, we will enter a custom supplement item for 2 additional roof labor hours. Therefore, we'll click yes. Here is a photo of that front slope with the white coating. This is the photo that will be added to the custom supplement item we are entering. There will undoubtedly be items specific to a given area or region that come up often. The Restoration AI supplement tool allows the user to create custom items and make them part of their permanent library of items by checking the box to the left of the item. These items will not have to be entered as custom items with future use. Choose the trade you are wanting to enter a custom items for, in this case, roofing. Create a title for your category heading, in this case, front slope demolition. Now type in the supplement item as you wish it to appear in your supplement. Click on the photo to add the photo you wish. You can add as many custom items as are needed for the particular job. Just click the button for the Add Another Item until you have entered all the custom items you need. Then click Next. The supplement you prepared now appears for your review. Scroll down the supplement to make sure you've included everything you needed. If you missed something, click on the back arrow to go back and make the revisions you need. When you are satisfied with the report you prepared, click Complete. You'll now be prompted to include the roof waste report or not. Since we supplemented for roof waste previously, we'll click Yes to include the roof waste report. Congratulations! The supplement report is now complete. There's just a few more simple steps needed to prepare and send the report to the adjuster, insurance company, or whatever other people you wish to receive it. The claim number you entered in the first form will come up as the subject automatically. You may, however, edit it if you wish. A list of the email addresses for over 100 insurance companies' claim departments is available as the next drop-down. You may create your own database of email addresses for recipients you frequently send to in the third drop-down. In the fourth and final drop-down, you may enter as many new email recipients for this report as you wish. Click Continue when you've completed this step. Now you'll select from 2 pre-written header paragraphs that has automatically inserted your company name as well as the customer name. You also have the option of writing your own. Once you're done, click Continue. You may select the pre-written summation, which will list your contact information in order to make it clear who the adjuster receiving your supplement is to contact with questions. You have the option to create your own or to move on without any summation paragraph. Click Continue when done. The final step is to add any attachments you wish to support your supplement. This could be your Xactimate estimate, a letter from the local building department, a copy of your contract, the roof sketch report, or whatever other documents you feel should be included. Make these choices and click Next. You'll now see the complete supplement report as it will appear to whomever you send it to. Review it to ensure you included everything you wish to. As with the other pages, there is a back button at the bottom in case you need to make revisions. When you're satisfied with what you've prepared, click Send Email. A copy of the supplement will automatically be sent to the user's email. This is a copy of the email for the supplement we just completed. Note the attachments are in place. Some of the insurance company's email systems do not save or print out embedded photos clearly. State Farm is a good example. Therefore, the photos that were embedded have also been attached. Regardless of the file size of the original photos embedded, the photos attached will be automatically compressed in order to avoid having your supplement rejected by the insurance company's email system. The supplement report itself will also be attached as a PDF file. As a tip, I saved this file in the job folder and/or in our CRM for quick access in the event the adjuster calls to discuss the supplement. I can pull it up quickly to refresh my memory and work off of it. While it probably seemed like this took forever, even creating this supplement for training purposes only took slightly over 15 minutes. Having a fair amount of experience using this tool, I could easily create a supplement like this in under 10 minutes. This supplement, if approved in full, would add over $3,000 to this claim. Thank you for taking the time to view our training video. Should you have further questions or if you need additional help, please fill out the support web form and we will respond to your request promptly. Best of luck with your supplementing efforts.